This is a MacBook N1 processor, A2338 model, and unable to power on. As soon as we connect DC supply, see, it's taken 0.01713 15 150 amp approximately, and not convert 5 volt to 20 volt. This is simply indicate that there is shorting in motherboard. And see, this side this side of coil, there is hitting something. This is a 3 volt line. This is 3 volt line, and we have to check this all line. Board is completely hitting too much on this side. Let's open the motherboard and repair the motherboard. Thank you. 140 150 hitting something. PMUIC hitting too much. This is the Apple logo. PMUIC hitting too much. We remove this PMU. See, we remove this PMU, and this is our main board, and we have to replace PMU from this board. This board is also working, but all data and all stuff of customers in this motherboard, we have to replace this PMU into this PMU. And now preheater is hit. Now we have to remove this PMU. Let's remove the PMU. Now we revolving PMUIC. See, बस लीव करो. Board is powered on. Taken an amp, and this case study of MacBook M1 is now complete. Now assemble the board in cabinet and check display. Thank you. This MacBook M1 Air, M1 Pro successfully complete. See, display is there, and taken an amp. We replace the PMU and complete the job. Thank you.